Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you could join me today. I wanted to show you guys my vanity and my makeup collection and how I store and organize all of it and how I keep it organized. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get to the tour. So this is my vanity setup. I have my jewelry on there. I have some fragrances and some makeup brushes that need to be washed, and just a little Eiffel Tower mirror that I use when I'm putting on my makeup. And I have 2 sets of drawers, and the 2 drawers and the tabletop, I got all 3 of those items from IKEA. And we'll go ahead and look what's inside of the drawers, and I'm going to start on the left side. So in this first drawer I have all of my jewelry. I have my glasses case in here, and it's just some costume jewelry. And in the second drawer is where I keep all of my eyeshadow palettes. So I have a lot of Urban Decay. This one is my all-time favorite, the Naked Ultimate Basics, and it's just beautiful neutral colors that are matte and just a few shimmer. So this is one that I use quite often when I do makeup for clients. And I also have the Urban Decay Vice palette. This one's really pretty too. It's got several different colors in it. And in this little box I have my false eyelashes. I got these acrylic little plastic boxes from Target. These were $3. I thought that was a really good deal, especially for acrylic organizers, because I know they carry some at the Container Store, but they can be very pricey. So I thought for $3 at Target I couldn't beat that price, so I got a couple of those. And in here I just keep like my loose eyeshadows, and I have some Bare Minerals on this side. I have some Urban Decay ones on this side, and just a few little random like NYX and what is this? Palladio. And in here, this is where I keep more eyeshadow palettes. So I have another Urban Decay. This is Urban Decay Electric. And this one just has a lot of neon colors. And I have a Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This one's very beautiful, very appropriate for summertime. A lot of peach colors, neutrals. And I have another Urban Decay. This one's really beautiful. I like to use this one like for bridal makeup. It's very beautiful. And this is also another one that I like to use for bridal makeup as well. That one's just got some really beautiful colors in it. And last but not least, I have a tiny little Naked Urban Decay Basic matte neutral colors. They're really pretty. In the third drawer is where I keep all of my lip products and a couple of mascaras and eyeliners in here too as well. I have these acrylic containers that I got from Target for $3, and they just have little lipstick slots in there, and they fit perfectly in there. I just keep all of my lipsticks, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, and lip stains in here. I have Kat Von D. She has really good lipsticks. I have NYX products. I have some Bite products. They have really nice colors. And more Kat Von D over here, and I have some Buxom lip products and a couple of lip liners. And this acrylic container, I keep all of my lip glosses. So I like the NYX lip glosses. They're very reasonably priced, and they're very beautiful, very pigmented colors. And this one's very convenient just for traveling. If I have to go meet a client at their house or on location, this is just very easy to travel with. Instead of taking a bunch of lipstick bullets with me, I can just take this, and it has a lot of beautiful neutral colors in there, some reds, pinks. And in this acrylic container, this is from Target again for $3, I just have some eyeshadow base, I have some liquid eyeliners, I have a sharpener, some eye pencils, and some mascaras that I got in here. And of course, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black will always be my all-time favorite. And in this drawer, I just keep a box of my makeup brushes, and I keep them in this plastic container so that the dust stays off of them, and they just stay nice and clean in there. And I got this container from the Dollar Tree. And in the very last drawer, I just have my makeup bags. These are the makeup bags that I travel with when I'm going on location to do a client's makeup, or even if I'm just, you know, traveling out of town just with family. I like to use these clear, these little clear bags. They're actually not for makeup, they're for keeping papers dry, just storing papers. And I got these from the Container Store. It's a very good quality, they're sturdy, and the inside of it is like has a netting, so it keeps the plastic from getting ripped or torn. So this is the right side of my vanity, and in this first drawer, this is just where I keep all of my poofs for powder. I have some sponges for applying foundation. I have some pointed Q-tips. I really like these. I got these at CVS. It's a packet of 200, and they're actually pointed, which really helps with cleaning up like your eyeliner or anything that you're trying to be precise with, because the tip is pointed. And I have some little cotton rounds. I have some Kleenex in here. I have another little pouch of extra Q-tips that I can take with me if I'm going on location to do a client's makeup. And I have some disposable mascara wands. These are really important for not cross-contaminating your products. So I have tweezers in this little container and some tweezers to help apply false eyelashes. In this container, I just have more makeup sponges. These are smaller for concealers. And in here is where I keep my little cleaning things that I use for my brushes. And this container I got from Target, again for $3. I believe I purchased these at Walmart. And this is just from the Dollar Tree for $1. I believe it came in a set of more than one for $1. In this drawer, the second one, is where I keep my face powders. So I have these acrylic containers, again I got from Target for $3. They had some clear ones. I have all of my face powders in here. I have the Maybelline Dream Wonder Makeup Forever. Then I just have some Mary Kay loose mineral powder in here as well that someone gave me. I have some NARS blushes. I really like their blushes. They have beautiful blushes. I have my loose translucent setting powders. I have the Palladio rice powder. And when I first started out doing makeup, I didn't really have a large budget, so I had to get budget-friendly makeup, and this is the one I started using. My favorite one is the Laura Mercier loose setting powder, the translucent. I have some Makeup Forever Professional loose setting powder. And then I have a Smashbox blush. This one's another favorite of mine. It's the Peachy Dream. And back here I just have this little container. I believe I got this from Walmart as well, and it came in a set. And in there I have my Kat Von D contour powder. And then I have my Becca Jaclyn Hill collection of highlighters, and this one's really pretty, that Champagne Pop. I use it all the time. I have this Tarte blush palette, very beautiful. All of these colors on there, they're so pretty. And it has a highlighter on there as well. I also have some Anastasia contour cream, contour light to medium. This is the powder version of that cream one. And I really like this one. I use this a lot. And in the third drawer is where I keep all of my face products. So I keep my foundations in here. I have some concealers, and I have some of my face prep products in here, like my lotion and facial radiance pads, some setting sprays, and I also keep my hand sanitizers in here as well. And in here I just keep all of my foundations. I love the Makeup Forever HD foundation. That one's one of my favorite ones to use on clients. It's just really beautiful, just very smooth looking. And I have a couple of those, and I also like the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. That one's another favorite of mine. And then here I have some facial sprays and some makeup setting sprays in here. I got this container from the dollar store for $1, and inside I just have more of the little ones that I showed y'all earlier. So in here I just keep my eyelash glues. I like to use the Duo glue. My favorite one is the latex free, and it comes with the little wand. This one dries so fast. I have my eyeshadow primers and foundation primers. I like to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primers, and I like the Smashbox foundation primer as well, and I also like the Makeup Forever. And then in this last container is where I keep all of my concealers, and I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. They're very inexpensive and they work really good. And I have some Makeup Forever concealer palettes as well. I have 2 of these. And in this little container I have some tonic or toner. This is the Glow Tonic from Pixi. I have some facial radiance pads, and these are just some items that I like to use to prep the skin before I do the makeup. I have some Olog Henriksen eye cream. I have Andalou. Andalou, I really like that one. This for sensitive skin, so that one's really nice. And I like to use contact solution to help if I have some liquid eyeliner that's dried out or mascara that's dried out. I like to add a couple of drops of this in there just to rehydrate it. And in this drawer I have all of my hair stuff, and I think I got this one from IKEA, and it's actually for the kitchen for like forks and spoons and knives, but I like to use it in here because it fits conveniently on top of this, and it slides back and forth, and I can still close it without it like getting stuck or anything. And I just like using this to organize all of my bobby pins, hairpins, some little hair ties, and then I have this little binder clip with hair ties on it as well, and just keeps everything nice and organized. And in this little bag I just have some hair clips. I have more little hair clips that I keep in there, and these 2 are just full of like brushes and combs, those little donut buns to help to make a bun in somebody's hair, and then some cream in here for hair. In this drawer, this is the last drawer, I keep all of my hair tools. So I have like my straightener, I have some heat protectant, and in here I just have some hair bands and the attachments for my blow dryer. All of my curling irons and my blow dryer. I got some of these little color coded cable organizers, and I use them for my curling irons, and they're color coded so it helps me see them better in here. Anyway guys, so that was the tour of my vanity and my makeup collection and how I keep everything organized. I hope I gave you some ideas of things that you could do to try to organize your makeup collection and vanity, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys again on the next one. Bye!